banana cartoon, cars, trucks and vehicles. Do it together.